So dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you can't follow any more people on Instagram, so how you can fix it. So first thing you need to check, you need to know that you can't follow more than 7,500 people. So just check if you didn't get this limit. And also this action can be blocked by Instagram because you just follow too many people at one time, so you just need to wait until Instagram will unblock this action for you. And also you can try another way, so just go to the settings and just try to change your network. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to use mobile data, and if you use mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on Wi-Fi. So just change your network. And if you have another device, just try to log into this account from another device, and just try to do something, just try to follow people from another device. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.